Welcome to part 62 of Learn Languages. Today we're mastering articles, an, and the. These are the most commonly misused words in English. Let's start with and an. We use a or an for singular countable nouns when we mention something for the first time. I saw a dog in the park. We don't know which dog yet. Use a before consonant sounds. A book, a car, a university. Use an before vowel sounds, an apple, an hour, an umbrella. Notice an hour. The H is silent, so the sound is a vowel. Now let's talk about the. We use the when we both know which one we mean. I saw a dog. The dog was very friendly. The second time, we both know which dog now. Use the for unique things, the sun, the moon, the internet. Use the for things already mentioned. Use the for specific things. Pass me the salt, please. Now, when do we use no article at all? We don't use articles with plural general statements. Dogs are loyal animals, all dogs in general. Coffee is delicious. We love it as a category. We also don't use the with most countries, cities, or names. She lives in France, not in the France. But the United States, the Netherlands, exceptions. Let's recap. A and an, first mention, indefinite. The specific, known to both speaker and listener. No article, general statements, and most proper nouns. Subscribe to Learn Languages for a new lesson every week.